Name examples of continuous loop detection systems. Fenwal, Kid D pneumatic. Describe the operation of a Kid D continuous loop fire detection system. Two wires embedded in a special ceramic core. One wire is internal grounds, other wire is a hot lead. Ceramic core material heats up, its resistance drops, connecting the internal wires, completing a circuit, energizing a light. What is the most common cause of a false fire warning in a continuous loop detector system? Dents, kinks, crush sensing elements. Will a continuous loop fire detector still indicate the presence of a fire if the element is broken in two? Yes. What are the main categories of engine fire protection systems? Spot detection, continuous loop, flame detectors. Name examples of spot detection type systems. Thermal switch, thermocouple. When using a thermocouple type fire detection system, what happens if the engine overheats slowly? Will not give a warning. Rate of temperature rise. How many thermocouple are required for engine fire detection? Depends on the size of the fire zone. Describe a thermal switch fire detector system. Temperature rises above a set degree, thermal switch closes, completing the light circuit to indicate a fire. Where does a thermocouple fire detection system get its electrical power to operate? The thermocouple produces power to close a relay. After the relay is closed, aircraft power flows through the relay to the warning light. How are thermal switches electrically connected in a circuit? Parallel with each other, in series with the warning light. What method is used to release the fire extinguishing agent in a typical turbine engine fire protection system? Electrically discharged cartridges. Explosive cartridge squibs break discs and plug. What method is used to determine proper fire extinguisher container pressure? Container gauge. What is the color marking used to identify fire extinguisher lines? Brown tag with a row of black diamonds. What method, other than the pressure gauge, is used to indicate low agent pressure in container? Low pressure warning light in the cockpit. What is the purpose of the yellow and red discharge plugs, discs, in a turbine engine fire extinguishing system? Yellow indicates pilot intended discharge, red indicates thermal activated. What are two methods commonly used to distribute the fire extinguishing agent to the engine? Perforated tube or discharge nozzles. How does the fire extinguishing agent put out the fire? Dilutes the atmosphere. What does HRD stand for? High rate of discharge. How is the fire extinguishing agent distributed from a HRD system? It is delivered from open-end tubes. How long does it take to discharge the extinguishing agent in a HRD system? It only takes 1 to 2 seconds. Which type of fire detection system gives a more complete coverage to a fire hazard? A continuous loop system.